Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have a keyboard app that supports emojis, such as Gboard or SwiftKey. Open Settings, then go to System or General Management and select Language and Input. Once there, tap On-Screen Keyboard to list your installed and active keyboards. You're doing this so you can switch which keyboard provides emoji access. Make sure the keyboard you want is installed. If it isn't, install it from the Play Store, and then return to enable it before proceeding. Now select the keyboard you intend to use and open its settings. This is where you control emoji behavior. Once done, look for Preferences or Keyboard Settings and enable the emoji switch key or long press for emojis. Make sure emoji suggestions and emoji variants are turned on if available, and adjust layout or theme so the emoji key appears where you expect it. These steps change how quickly you can access emoji and whether you see skin tones or recently. Finally, open a messaging app or any text field to confirm the emoji keyboard appears. Tap the emoji key or long press the designated key to switch. If you don't see it, select the keyboard icon on the navigation bar to switch keyboards. Make sure to test skin tones and recently used emoji so you know it's fully working. If problems persist, enable the keyboard again in Settings, clear the keyboard app cache, or reinstall the keyboard app to resolve conflicts or corrupted data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.